Bang bang you're dead. Bang bang you're dead. Bang bang you're dead.
Once you've found your destiny, all separations won't work.
Not take
Leave him alone.
When dancing can be passed from mother to child.
Vicious. Vicious.
When your kids want to kiss you, they'll try all the way.
Huh?
No. No. You stop back talking me. I said no.
Give Daddy a hug. Give Daddy a hug. Oh. Take me home.
Better their collaboration will make for a unique musical performance.
West Virginia. Take me home.
You don't need to go to the dance class, you just need a dog. The moment you realize the dog can dance better than you. The boy's tenderness and the dog's trusting gaze melt anyone's heart.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay.
When your child is afraid that no one will take care of him in the future. She's trying to learn how to play the piano better than her mum.
Bias. No.
This is a scene that often happens when there are two brothers in the house. Bet the dad will be very tired.
Girls. Love each other. We're all family here.
Sisters
We're
do.
all family here.
Owning an animal clone of yourself is like this. When you find one thing that's warmer and softer than the cushion.
I don't have a dog. I have a date.
When you have a child who's hungry for success.
I'm not quite sure what she is, but I think she's a crackhead.
When your child loves to play in the snow and you're the snowman. When you're mature, but you still don't dare to sleep alone. When mum is your only support every time you feel worry.
Sungkan được ăn vậy nha.
When you want to be skipping, but lack of people. In that case, dogs are quite useful.
Really, really well.
Just one dog, you can chill all week, not just Sunday. When you make your dad angry and all you have is cuteness. When you had to eat air to satisfy his cravings. The effective way to calm your dog is to give him a hug. This is truly a friendship that goes with the years. The worst thing is when other people can eat and you can only watch them eat. When happy, the dog's tail will be like a pendulum clock. Here is the best swimmer of the year. When your father says one thing and does another.
Hello, my friends. Tonight, a new Blue Bloods, a great episode.
When you're invited for an interview and your child is a glutton.
As always, me and Willie Boy will be watching it, and we'll be eating popcorn. Or at least he will be. Enjoy. Go Blue Bloods.
This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.